In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Docs page color. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives in the Google Docs mobile app and how to choose a background that keeps your document readable and polished. Start by launching the Google Docs app on your device. Once you're in, head to the document you want to update. You can pick it from your recent files or browse to find it. Just make sure you open the actual document you plan to change so you can see the page color update in real time. If your document opens in viewing mode, switch into editing mode so all formatting options become available. Tap the blue pencil icon in the bottom corner. This tells the app you're ready to make changes, not just scroll or read. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots icon. This opens the full set of document options. From here, scroll through the list until you see Page Setup. Page Setup is where Google Docs keeps layout-related controls like margins, orientation, paper size, and the page color we're after. Go ahead and tap Page Setup. Inside Page Setup, tap Page Color. You'll see a grid of main colors. Think of these as starting points. Tap a main color that matches the mood or branding you want for your document. Right below, a sub-menu appears with different shades and hues of that color. This is where you fine-tune the exact look. Lighter tints usually keep body text easier to read, while darker shades can make headings pop. Just keep contrast in mind so your text stays accessible. As you test colors, your document preview updates, helping you judge readability before you commit. Remember, page color applies to the entire document background, not just a single page or section. When you're happy with the selection, tap the back arrow in the top left to return to the page setup screen, then tap the blue check mark to lock in your background color. That confirmation ensures your change is saved to the document. If you collaborate with others, they'll see the new background too. And if you plan to print, be aware that colored backgrounds can use more ink. It's a good idea to verify your printer settings if needed. That's it. Open your doc, enter edit mode, head to the three dots, choose page setup, select page color, pick your shade, then confirm with the check mark. Simple, fast, and a great way to make your document stand out while staying readable.